Mr. Ron, do you know that's called manipulating the
A
the
little bit.
SEO?
Yeah. But I'm one of Amazon, and probably Jeff Bezos won't listen to this. So, like maybe this works even on YouTube. I don't know. But how I managed to rank on Amazon was a method called search, find, buy. I would basically have a Facebook advertisement for people for a free pillow. I was selling knee pillows, still am. Soon, I hope not anymore. But and they would go into a messenger chat flow, and I would say in the chat flow, "Hey, go to Amazon, to the website, search for this key phrase." So, for example, keyword on YouTube. Then look for my product. Make sure to hover on other products as well. So you're mimicking an organic view. And then find my product, click it, buy it. And then basically Amazon is like, this person is looking for this keyword and is always clicking this product. Now, this product needs to be moved up. That's the...
Mr. Ron, do you know that's called manipulating the
the
SEO?
Yeah. But I'm one of Amazon, and probably Jeff Bezos won't listen to this. But that's like, yeah, that's maybe also how YouTube works. Like if people search a keyword and they press your video first, I think they're happy, like they keep watching. I think it makes sense your video will go up as well.
I think there is a practice of that on YouTube, but by no means are we suggesting you guys do that, because that is a direct manipulation of the search algorithm.
Yeah.
And YouTube, like Google and YouTube, do not want that happening. So do not do that.
No, it's not any advice. I know.
No, 100% no. We don't do that ourselves. We don't recommend that, because I know, or we kind of know people like I think the Apple guy.
Yeah.
I think the Apple guy has something shady going on, you know, like for sure he probably does that, because it's impossible with his video quality to get, 10,000 views in 1 week for how to.
Yeah, but
it's just he buys targeted SEO views, basically, search this thing in incognito, look for my video, click it, and then he does like 10,000 times people do that, and then it just manipulates the algorithm. But it is a not sustainable strategy. Like everything that Ron and I are about is about long-term thinking. It's about sustainability. It's about competing and playing by the rules. So
like with the Amazon example, if you're targeting that keyword and you have your position, you of course stop that campaign. You hope you're getting organic sales. Like if your product is not good enough and that kind of stuff, you will drop again. So eventually you need to have a good product, a good video. That's always the key thing on YouTube, like user satisfaction. And then on the long term, you will always rank. So indeed, we never suggest like doing these kind of things. Also, I don't have any experience with YouTube about it, but like YouTube is they know what's going on their platform. So
of course, they know everything. They know everything. Don't try to fuck YouTube, okay? Don't try to get shortcuts. Like play by the rules. Figure out how to make great content. Helpful content. The kind of the ultimate trick, the ultimate hack that Ron and I stand for is creating content. Like it's much easier to create content that is searchable.